pink parrot, high in the tree. Sing me a story, sing sweetly to me. Wings full of colors, bright as the sun. Flying and laughing, oh what fun. Pink parrot, what do you say? I'll talk to the morning and dance in the day. I'll chatter with children, I'll whistle a tune, and sing with the stars in the shy silver moon. Pink parrot, where will you go? To jungles of emerald where tall rivers flow. To sit with the flowers, to play with the breeze, and tell little secrets to blossoms and trees. Pink parrot, what do you eat? Bananas so yellow and berries so sweet. I sip from the nectar, I peck at the seeds. The forest provides me with all that it needs. Pink parrot, can you be kind? Oh yes, I bring friendship to all that I find. I sing for the lonely, I cheer up the sad, and brighten the world, make children feel glad. Pink parrot, it's time for bed. Rest. Wag the tail, round and round the guardrail. Jump up high and spin so low. Happy doggy loves the show. Clap, clap, clap your paws. Tap the ground with little claws. Skip to the left, skip to the right. Dance, dance, dance all night. Bark, bark, bark so loud. Sing along and make us proud. Shake your head and stomp your feet. Dancing doggies got the beat. Turn around and wag once more. Slide across the wooden floor. Bow to friends, take a rest. Dancing doggy, you're the best. Spin, spin, spin again. Dance with kitty, dance with hen. Hop like bunny, flop like bird. Dancing together, spread the word. Jump, jump, jump up high. Try to catch a butterfly. Twist your body, stretch up tall. Tumble, roll, but don't you fall. March, march, round and round. Step so lightly, make no sound. Now stomp hard and shake the floor. Doggies dancing more and more. Snap, snap, snap your jaws. Playful tricks with loud applause. Flip your ears and wiggle fast. Doggies dance will always last. Peter Piper plucked some peppers, plump and purple, brown in piles. Packed them neatly, stacked so sweetly, pranced along for miles and miles. Pretty Polly saw him picking, pointed, laughed, and joined the game. Happy parrots perched above them, pleased to shout his pepper name. Pick 'em quicker, Peter Piper, pack that peck and pick one more. Pour those peppers into baskets, pile them higher than before. But when Peter dropped his pepper, Polly's puppy chased it fast. Round the pasture, past the garden, peppers tumbling as they passed.